the new combinational circuit is multiplexer. Okay. So multiplexer basically what it does, you have a communication line. Okay. For example, say a telephonic network where many inputs are coming in one line and you want to choose one signal at a time. Okay. So multiplexer is basically what? It is a data selector. So it can have a many inputs. So you have a multiplexer, okay, which can have a many inputs, say I0, I1, I2, and so on, IN. Okay, and it has a only one output. So depending on the select lines, how many select lines are there? Suppose there are m select lines, say A, B, C, or S2, S1, S0. Okay, sometime it will be mentioned S2, S1, S0, so on. So depending on the value of select line, at a time, this will choose only one output. Okay, one input. So one input will land here, depending on the choice of select lines. Okay, that is so basically it is used in communication lines. So this is also called 2 into 2 power m into 1 multiplexer. Multiplexer in short is mentioned by MUX, MUX. Okay. Now, what is the M? M is the select line. M is the select lines. So, how many select lines are there? Okay, depending on the select line kitni hai, it can handle the data inputs. For example, if select line is 1, then 2 power 1, 2, it can handle 2 data at a time. Okay. If select lines are 3, it can handle 8 data inputs. Okay. Select lines 2, 4, 3, 8. Okay. So on. So you can have a many inputs. Okay. You can have a many inputs. Okay. And one output. So for example, if I give you a simple example of 2 into 1 mux, 2 into 1 multiplexer. So it can have a 2 datas. So data is generally mentioned I0, I1. Okay, sometimes 0, 1, 2 also it mentions 0, 1, 2 like that. Okay, and so this is a 2 into 1 mix. So because it has only one select line, okay, select line you can choose by S, S2, S0 is a one select line. So I'll say S0, okay, or I'll say A, B, C, anything you can mention depending what are the variable is mentioned in the question, and it will give you output. So what is the circuit diagram for this 2 into 1 mux? So logic circuit for 2 into 1 multiplexer. Okay. Now depending on S, variable kya hai? Variable can have a value 0 or 1. So depending on the value of this select line, it will decide which input will come to the output. This will land here or this will land here. Okay. So the output is defined as I naught, S naught. Okay. I naught, or you saying I naught S bar plus I1 S naught. If you write S only, then you can mention this by S. Okay. So this will be your output. Okay. So say if S0 is 0, if S0 is 0, then your output will be, this will become 0, this becomes 0, so this will become 1. So you will the input, this first input will land here. Okay. Similarly, if S naught equal to 1, then your second input will land at the output. Okay. Now, depending on this equation, you can design the circuit.
The volume problem.
वॉल्यूम धीरे आ रहा है. Okay. Is it fine now? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So इसका सर्किट कैसे बनेगा बताओ. भी
Sir.
ये और गेट है. हाँ, टेल मी.
सर एस नॉट बार किसको डिनोट करता है सर?
भी ये वेरिएबल है s. Okay. And
Okay.
and this equation will first we have to draw the circuit and then you have to give the equation, na? So I have done opposite. I have written the equation and then I'm drawing the circuit. Okay. So s naught is a variable and the first I will draw the circuit, then you will understand what is the circuit of this one. 2 into 1 mux. So you have two AND gates and you have one OR gate. Okay. You have two inputs. जितने अगर you have 4 inputs, then you have 4 AND gates in any mux. If you have 8 inputs, you will have eight AND gates. Okay. Now we have only one select lines. Okay. Select line. This is a select line. Either you draw like this. This is one select line. Okay. Now this will go here. Inversion of this will go here, and this S will go directly here. So here you are going S bar, or you say S0. The S0 is coming here, and here directly S0 is coming. So the output of this one will be what? I naught, S naught, S naught, and the output of this one will be I1, S naught, and the output Y will be what? Your I naught, S naught plus I1, S naught. Okay. Now this is a select line. It can have value 0 or 1. So if you put the select line value 0, you get output I naught, and if you put the select line 1, then you get the output equals to Y1. That means you are choosing the inputs. किसका telephone किसके पास जाना चाहिए? That will decide by select line. Many signals are coming, but here in single line, this is the device which will allow one signal at a time to reach the its final destination. Okay. So many signals are there and going to one destination. This will decide which will go where, or which will go first, or which you want to pass to the output. Okay, from input to output. So this is the circuit. So similarly here the two variables, one variable. So this is I'm writing 0 1. There can be two variables like A and B, or say S1 S0. Then there will be 4 values, na? Select line value will be 4 values: 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So then you can handle four inputs, because now there will be 4 choice. 2 variable can have a 4 states. Okay. Now if you have the 3 variable lines, it can have 8 states. So 8 states can handle 8 inputs. Are you getting my point? So this is 2 into 1 mux. Now similarly, say you want to make 4 into 1 multiplexer. Okay. 4 into 1 multiplexer. So 4 into 1 multiplexer. Okay. So 4 into 1 multiplexer means now you have 2 select lines, say A and B. Okay. So it can handle 4 data: I0, I1, I2, I3, and there will be 1 output. Okay. Now 2 variables can have 4 states: 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. Okay. So 0 0 is A bar B bar. Now you want output Y. Okay. Output Y. What will the output Y? So output Y will be basically your I0 into first state, this one, A bar B bar. Okay. Output 1. 0 means 0, first input. 0 1, 1 first input. 0 1 means this is A bar I1 into A bar B. Okay. Similarly, this is 2 will multiply with 2, I2. So this is 1 0, that is A B bar, and the last is your I3. I3 क्या हो जाएगा? A1 1, so AB. So this is your output. Okay, now you choose the value. If you put 0 0, if A is 0, B is 0, then only this term will survive. Okay, so your output will be I naught if select lines A equal to B equal to 0. Okay, or you can say A is 0 and B is 0. Okay, similarly, if you want to land this input here, Y1, then you require A to be 0 and B to be 1. Okay, similarly, you want Y2 will be I2 will land here if you choose A equal to 1 and B equals to 0. Okay, similarly, Y3 will land equal to I3 will land to output. This is not, this is only output Y. Okay, so input I3 will land if A equal to 1 and B equal to 1. Okay, and this is called 2 power 2, that is 4 into 1. 4 are input, 1 is output. This is a multiplexer. Now you can easily make the circuit for this one. You know the equation. Okay, you can easily make the circuit. Circuit में क्या होगा बताओ? You will have first 4 AND gates and 1 OR gate, depending on this equation. So you will have a 4 AND gates, 1 2 3. Okay, 3 4, and each AND gate has one input, I naught, I1, I2, I3. Okay, and this will be your OR gate. Okay, 1 2 3, and this is coming here. Y will come. What do you want here? You want here AB ka bar. Now you have a select lines. Okay, you can draw select line here, or you can directly select line, draw select line here. So, okay, let's say this is A, this is B, and here, okay, here you want inversion. Okay, similarly here you want inversion. So A bar coming here, B bar coming here. This is my A line. This is my A line. This is my B line. Or say this is A line. This is the B line. Okay. So I'm converting here. I'm taking from A, making not. यहाँ पे क्या चाहिए बताओ? यहाँ पे क्या चाहिए? I1 into क्या चाहिए?
बार भी
ए बार
ए बार भी
A बार चाहिए, तो A बार तो यहाँ से आ गया. और क्या चाहिए? B चाहिए. B डायरेक्टली यहाँ से आ गया. इसमें क्या चाहिए? 1 0 A चाहिए. A will come directly. Then you want B bar. So B bar will this one. It can come here. B bar here. Then here you want both A and B. So directly A can come here and directly B can come here. And this is your output. You'll get Y equal to I naught A bar B bar plus I1 A bar B plus I2 A B bar plus I3 A B. So this is a 4 into 1 multiplexer. Similarly, you can make 8 into 1 multiplexer. Okay. अब इसका काम क्या है? Okay, कैसे काम करता है? हम हमारे लिए एग्जाम के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से कैसे यूजफुल है? That we have to see. So now you can make 8 into 1 multiplexer. Okay. So circuit is homework for you. Now we'll discuss the applications. So 8 into 1 multiplexer is homework. अब एग्जाम में क्या क्वेश्चन आते हैं वो देखेंगे हम लोग. एक तो आपको बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए कि इसका सर्किट क्या है और कैसे किस टर्म से क्या टर्म मल्टीप्लाई हो रही है. फर्स्ट टर्म है तो 0 0 मल्टीप्लाई होगा. सेकंड टर्म है तो 0 0 मल्टीप्लाई 1 मल्टीप्लाई होगा. अगर 3 वेरिएबल्स हैं तो 0 0 0. ओके ओके. फर्स्ट आई नोट से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, अगर फिर अगर I2 करना है तो 1 करना है तो 0 0 1, फिर 0 1 0, ऐसे कितने भी वेरिएबल हो सकते हैं. ओके, अकॉर्डिंगली यू टू डिजाइन द सर्किट. नाउ व्हाट इज द application? Okay, so basically the first application of this one is application for realization of logic circuit, for realization of, okay, realization or implementation of logic circuits. You can implement any logic function if it is written in the form of standard form. Okay, basically SOP. Anything is written in the form of SOP, you can directly implement using this multiplexer. So कहने का मतलब है, this is like just like a universal gate. Like you can make every circuit with a NAND gate, every circuit with a NOR gate. Similarly, depending on the choosing a right kind of multiplexer, you can implement any type of logic function. Okay, if you have a 3 variable function, you can implement you need 3 select lines, because 3 variable means A, B, C. You need there are 3 select line that you want 8 into 1 multiplexer to implement. You have a 2 variable function, you need a 4 into 1 mux, but it's not like that always. Even you have a 3 variable function that you can implement using two select lines, that means 4 into 1 multiplexer also. Okay, now how to do this one? So this is basically like a universal gate. You can implement any Boolean function. Okay, now first we'll see a simple example and then we'll move on. Okay, so say the question is implement. Any question?
सर 8x1 मल्टीप्लेक्सर में 4 वेरिएबल्स होंगे.
भाई 8 into 1 मल्टीप्लेक्सर में कितने वेरिएबल होते हैं? वेरिएबल मतलब कितनी सेलेक्ट लाइंस होती हैं?
8 होंगे.
8 में कितनी सेलेक्ट लाइंस होती हैं 8 into 1 मल्टीप्लेक्सर में?
3.
3. 8 का मतलब क्या है? 2 power 3. ओके, सो
Okay,
अगर
sir.
3 वेरिएबल फंक्शन चाहिए तो वो किससे इंप्लीमेंट होगा? 8 into 1
8
म्यूक
से.
से.
Okay, sir.
अगर 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 2 वेरिएबल है फंक्शन है, 2 वेरिएबल फंक्शन है, दैट इज 2 वेरिएबल मींस 2 सेलेक्ट लाइन फंक्शन है, दैट इट विल बी इंप्लीमेंटेड बाय 4 into 1 मिक्स. ओके, ये सिंपल तरीका है, बट यू कैन इंप्लीमेंट 8 into 1 आल्सो फ्रॉम 4 into 1. दैट विल सी लेटर. फर्स्ट विल द सिंपल थिंग्स. ओके, सो इंप्लीमेंट following logic, okay, expression. So the logic expression is y equal to a b c. Okay, so it is given, it is written in the standard form. Either it will be written in a standard form. If it is not, then you know how to convert in the standard form if it is some expression is there. Okay, so this is 0 1 2 6 and 7. 0 1 2 6 7, these are the terms. Okay, and you need to want to implement. Now 3 variable function can have 8 states. So out of 8, some states are given, other states are not there. Okay, so now if you write this one, m0 present, m0 means what? A bar, B bar, C bar. M1 means what? 0 0 1, A bar, B bar, C. Yes or no? Okay, and 2 means what? A, B bar, C. अब मैं ऐसा लिख रहा हूँ, जरूरत नहीं है, you can do directly. Okay, but just for your understanding, I'm writing 6. 6 means what? 1 1, A B C bar, and 7 means A B C. This is my function. Now how to implement this function using multiplexer? बहुत simple है. So whatever term is present, so you have 8 terms: I0, I1, I2, I3. Okay, or let me write this term inside. Okay, inside also, because I have to give some values to. So I have I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6, I7. 8 states. Okay. So zero state is present. Okay. Now output of this one will be what? इसका output क्या होगा? Output of this one will be, tell me क्या होगा output इसका? Y equal to I naught into क्या आएगा? A bar B bar C bar plus I1 A bar B bar C plus I2. 2 means what? 2 means 0 0 1 0 3 means what? 0 1 1 4 means what? 1 के बाद में 0 0 B bar C bar I5, but I don't need this one. I need only these terms. Okay, so some term कुछ terms को zero बनाना है हमको. Okay, so this I5 will be 101 A B bar C. I6 is your A110 and I7 is your A B C. So if these terms are present, I will get this output. But I want to implement this function, and this function has I0 present. I0 is present. Now, if I want to make this term equal to this term, what should I do? I have to give high input to 1 to I0 because I0 is present. Okay. Then 1 also present. Okay. 1 also present, 0 0 1. So 0, this will also go to 1. Okay. 2 also present. So 1 will go to 2. Okay. Then 3 is not present. So 3 you have to give 0. Ground logic 0. 3 4 5. 4 also not there. 5 also not there. Then 6 is there. So 6 will go to 1 and 7 also there. 7 will go to 1. Okay. So if you implement this function and if you give the values I0, I1, directly you will get this expression. Now you have to put the values. Okay. Put the values of I0, I1, I2. Okay. So your I0 is, these value will become 1. I0 is 1. Okay. I1 is 1. Then I2 is 1. Then I6 is 1. I7 is 1. And remaining I3 is 0. I4 is 0. I5 is 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So this is simple, na? Just you have to find the minterms. Which minterms are present in the your logic expression? That minterm you put 1 and remaining 0. So and this is the implementation of the logic function. So question आता है exam में, ये function दे रखा होगा and you will be given the diagrams. Which diagram is correct or which multiplexer is implementing the following expression. तो बस आप minterm पहचान लो और जो minterm present है उसको 1 कर दो, बाकी सबको 0 कर दो या ground कर दो. Okay, either it will be 0 or either it will be like this ground. ऐसा बना होगा डायग्राम में. Both are same thing. It is pretty easy. Okay, clear है? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'll give you one more function. Okay, you implement that one. So basically अगर 3 variable function है, so implementing with 8 into max is very simple. Okay, अगर 2 variable function है, you need 4 into 1 max. If 4 variable function है, you need 16 into 1 max. Okay, if 5 variable function है, you need 32 into 1 multiplexer. So put 1 to which term is present, put 0 to which is absent. Simple. Now say you have a term y a b c, okay, is equal to pi m 0 1 4 5. Okay, इसको कैसे implement करोगे बताओ? ये तो pure form में how to implement?
मिनटर्म में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे.
बस you have this term max term present. Simply the min term you can easily write which term is present, that will be missing in there. So 0 is there, 1 is there, 2 is missing, the 2 will be here. 3 is missing, the 3 will be here. 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is missing, 7 is missing because 3 variable can have only 8 state from 0 to 7. So 0 present here, I'm missing here. So this is the min term. Now very easy, you make a 3 variable. Okay, one mistake I'm doing, I'm not, you have to put the select lines here. Okay, जो पिछला क्वेश्चन किया था उसमें डायग्राम में select lines यहाँ मेंशन करो. You have to put the select lines here, and you have to variables, you have 8 variables, I naught. Okay, sometime this variable will be written like 0, 1, this is inputs. Instead of I naught, it will be written 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 2 को 1, now 2 is present, 2 is 1, 3 is 1, 6 is 1, 7 is 1. Okay, remaining everything is 0, grounded. क्या क्या ground है? आपका 0 ground है, then 1 ground है. Okay, 1 is grounded, then 4 is grounded, then 5 is grounded. Okay, इन सबको आप कनेक्ट कर दो. So your 1, 0, 0, 1, okay, and 2 is connected to 1. Okay, 2 is 1. So you have to keep in mind, this is 1, 2 is 1, 3 is 1, 4 is 1, 5 is 0, 5 is 0. तो ये 5 कनेक्ट नहीं है, 5 is 0. तो बना लेना ये सेकंड जो प्रेजेंट है उसको 1 कर दो. सिंगल ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, 0, 1, 0, 1. जरूरी नहीं है कि कॉमन बनाओ. You can just you to give the value. Okay, are you getting my point? इसको मिस्टेक मत कर देना. जिसको जो वैल्यू देना है, जो प्रेजेंट है उसको 1 दे दो, बाकी सब जो बचा हुआ है उसको 0 दे दो. सिंगल भी दे सकते हो. So implementing the function is very easy. Now what about if they in the question they says implement, okay, 3 variable 8 variable 3 variable function using 4 into 1 mux. Okay, that we'll see, learn how to implement that one. So give me just 1 minute. The next topic is implementing, okay, 2 into 1 multiplexer using 2 power m minus 1 into 1 multiplexer. Okay, that means अगर 3 वेरिएबल फंक्शन है, that means 8 इनपुट है, उसको 2 power 3 minus 2, 2 power 4 into 1 म्यूजिक से कैसे इंप्लीमेंट करेंगे. Okay, so that is also very easy. For example, you have been given a question f a b c, okay, and this is m 1 3 5 6. okay, इसको इंप्लीमेंट करने के लिए कौन सा मल्टीप्लेक्सर चाहिए बताओ. इसको इंप्लीमेंट करने के लिए कौन सा मल्टीप्लेक्सर चाहिए.
8.
8 into 1 मल्टीप्लेक्सर चाहिए. ओके, ये 3 वेरिएबल्स है, दैट इज दिस इज 2 power 3 into 1 मल्टीप्लेक्सर यू रिक्वायर. बट क्वेश्चन में बोलेगा कि इंप्लीमेंट दिस फंक्शन यूजिंग 4 into 1 मल्टीप्लेक्सर, 1 power less. 2 power 3 into 1 is 8 into 1, 2 power 3 minus 2, 2 into 1. So now you have to implement this thing. Okay, but if I implementing this, I am using this multiplexer, I will having only 2 select lines. Yes or no? Here we have 3 select lines, 8 inputs. Now I have 8 inputs, but I have only 2 select lines, and 2 select line can only choose 4, can handle only 4 data. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll send 1 select line to the input. Okay, because finally we want terms in logic expression, we want the terms in the form of ABC, because ये 1 present होना चाहिए, that means A bar B bar C present होना चाहिए, 3 present होना चाहिए, that means 0 1 1, A bar B C present होना चाहिए. So I need three variables, but this has only two variables. So remaining one variable क्या करेंगे, one variable को हम input में भेज देंगे. Okay, for example, if I want to implement this function, okay, so I have only I0, I1, I2, I3. Okay, now I have three variables. Now three variables means I have a B, C. In 8, here this is only 4. So I can have only two variables. So I can choose which variable will go to the input. I can choose, that is my choice. Okay, so I can keep two inputs here, and one input, either A can go here or C can go here. Okay, so I am sending A here. Okay, but A will be connected to what? That we have to decide. So let us see, this is the output. Now we have to find कि यहाँ पे क्या inputs आएंगे. So for that you have to make again a cell. Okay, because you have a 4, you want to implement 8 three variable function, so you need 4. Okay, and again you can make a BC, but this is not a K map. Okay, because here you don't want neighboring terms. So you have terms I0. So you have combination of BC, your two select lines BC. This can have a 0 0 0 1 and 1 0 1 1. अब यहाँ पे 1 1 नहीं लिखना है. That is the difference. Okay, so this is a technique to solve faster. So you don't need here 1 1 here. And A can have a 0 1. This is A bar. This is A. Okay, and this is a BC value. Now you want to choose these 4 input, these require input values. These 4 data require input values. Okay, so this is I0, I1, I2, I3. These require the input values. Okay, so first of all you fill this data. Which terms are present? 1 is present, 0 is not present, 1 is, so this is 0. Okay, this is 0. 0 is present. So you will read how A, B, C, 0 0 0. Then this is what 0 0 1. This is 1. 0 1 0 2. This is what 3. 1 0 0. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6 7. There are total 8 state. But present कौन सी है? Whichever term is present, you encircle the term. जो भी term present है उसको encircle कर दो. जैसे 1 present है तो 1 को encircle कर दो. 3 present है तो 3 को encircle कर दो. 5 present है तो 5 को encircle कर दो. 6 present है तो 6 को encircle कर दो. ओके, यहाँ तक तो आसान है. भी आपके पास 3 वेरिएबल्स हैं. ओके, आपने 3 वेरिएबल का के मैप टाइप में बनाया और जो टर्म प्रेजेंट है उसको एनसर्कल कर दिया. अब I0 किससे कनेक्ट होगा, I1 किससे कनेक्ट होगा, I2 किससे कनेक्ट होगा, I3 किससे कनेक्ट होगा कि ये फंक्शन आ जाए. तो उसके लिए कुछ रूल्स हैं. सो रूल नंबर 1, if any column, okay, when no minterm is selected and circled. Okay, number 1 rule, when no minterm is encircled, okay, then that input will be connected to 0. Okay, अब इस 0 0 के नीचे में ये कॉलम है, इसमें कोई भी टर्म कनेक्टेड नहीं है, तो सिंपली I0 will go to 0. Okay, second, if both or all, यहाँ पे दो ही हैं, बड़े सर्कल में ज्यादा भी हो सकती हैं. So simply I'm writing if both the minterms are encircled, okay, then that term will go to 1. So this term will go to 1. So I1 become 1. भी आपको वैल्यू तो चाहिए बस. Okay, now suppose only one minterm is encircled, then you have to see the column. It is in front of A or in front of A bar. Okay, if it is in front of A, okay, the third rule is what? If basically हमको टर्म्स बनानी है, टर्म्स. ओके, हमको BC मिल गया, हमको B बार C बार मिल गया. अब हमको 0 0 0 है ही नहीं, इसका मतलब क्या हो गया, फर्स्ट 0 टर्म भी 0 हो गया. सेकंड टर्म को 3 बनाना है, 3, तो 3 हम BC से बना सकते हैं, BC से, पर हमको A और चाहिए, तो थर्ड टर्म किससे कनेक्टेड होगा? थर्ड टर्म वो कनेक्टेड होगा आपका किससे? थर्ड 011 A बार से। ऐसे ही अगर मुझे बनाना है सपोज I2 क्या होता है? I2 होता है 010, सो B C बार तो बन जाएगा। अब मुझे A चाहिए, 0 चाहिए, तो आई नीड A बार। तो इसीलिए ये समझने में नहीं आया, तो बस ये याद रखना है कि कौन सी टर्म इंसर्ट करनी है। यू वांट 6 दिस टर्म, तो दिस टर्म विल बी कनेक्टेड बाय A, ओके, सो I2 विल बी कनेक्टेड बाय, so if one term is rule third, if one min term is encircled, okay, then find then corresponding input, then corresponding input will be connected, okay. If one min term is encircled, the corresponding it will be connected to A bar or A। अगर ये है तो A, और ये वाली है तो इसका स्टैंडर्ड A बार। फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे क्या है इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर, ये है, तो I2 किससे कनेक्ट हो जाएगा? तो I2 की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? I2 की वैल्यू हो जाएगी आपकी A, एंड I3 की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी आपकी? I3 की वैल्यू हो जाएगी आपकी A बार, ओके। सो योर I0 इज 0, I1 is your 1, I2 is your A, and I3 is your A बार। तो एकदम सिंपल है, थ्री वेरिएबल के मैप in order 0 1 2, these are terms। सर इसमें पहले जो टर्म प्रेजेंट है उसको एनसर्कल करो। अगर कोई भी टर्म प्रेजेंट नहीं है इस इनपुट के नीचे तो वो 0, दोनों है तो 1। अगर एक है तो देखो कि वो A के सामने है या एक A बार के सामने है, तो I2 विल बी योर A, I3 विल बी योर A बार। अब इसको सॉल्व करके देख लो, आपके पास ये फंक्शन आ जाएगा। ओके, नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व दिस फंक्शन। So automatically I want 1 3 5 6 in my output, so Y is what? Here 2, you have 2, that is 2 means B bar C bar I0, you have a I1 B 0 1 B bar C, then you have a I2 क्या होता है? I2 is 3 0 1 2 1 0 B C bar, and I3 is 1 1 B C, okay. Now I0 is your 0, so this term becomes 0. I1 is 1, so this term become 1. I2 is your A, it become A, and I3 is your A bar, this become A bar. So this sum disappear. So you have what? Just 1 minute. A is 1. Correct. Okay. So this term, to now you have the terms B bar C, you have a term A B C bar, and your term A bar B C. Okay. Now here you say you only 3 terms, you need 4 terms. So this this is not a standard form. You can add A plus A bar here, A plus A bar here, then B bar C plus A, B C bar plus A bar B C. Now you have term A, B bar C plus A bar, B bar C plus A, B C bar plus A bar B C. ओके, अब चेक कर लो सारी टर्म प्रेजेंट होगी। आपको चाहिए कौन कौन सी टर्म चाहिए बताओ? यू वांट वन टर्म, दिस इज 0 0 1, ओके, दिस इज 1 0 1 5 है, ये प्रेजेंट है। यू वांट 1 1 0 4, ये 4 कहाँ से आ गया? 4 कहाँ से आया चेक करो, 4 should not be there ना, 4 should not be there, इसको सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा शायद। ओके, जस्ट 1 minute। Let me write again the input. So the output Y is I0 B bar C bar 0. Then 1 into 1 means 0 1 1 0 1. Okay. and then I have term what? I have a term I2. I2 means 1 0 and is connected to A, and then the last term is I3 B C and is connected to A bar B C. Okay, so I have B bar C plus A B C bar plus A bar B C. Okay, तो इसमें ये 1 1 0 1 1
सर
0 आ
ये
रहा
6 है ना, 4 थोड़ी है।
है।
6 होएगा ना, ए बी सी बार।
हाँ 6 है ना, तो मुझे बताया नहीं ना 6 है, तो ठीक है। अब यहाँ पे ए आ जाएगा ए बी बार सी प्लस ए बार बी सी बी बार सी प्लस ए बी सी बार प्लस ए बार बी सी। ओके, तो अब ये कौन सी टर्म है बताओ? 1 0 1 ये 5 है, ये कौन सी है? 0 0 1, तो ये 1 टर्म है। ये 1 1 0 ये 6 टर्म है। ये क्या है? 0 1 1 3 टर्म है। ओके, सो 1 3 5 6 they are present. सो मल्टीप्लेक्सर बहुत आसान है, क्वेश्चन भी बड़े आसान आते हैं। ठीक है, ये तो अगर ये सब समझ में आ गया तो इसकी जो जो क्वेश्चन बनते हैं वो तो और सिंपल है। तो मेन चीज इसका फंक्शन आना चाहिए समझने। तो अभी हमने क्या कर दिया, यहाँ पर हमने 3 वेरिएबल फंक्शन को हमने 2 वेरिएबल फंक्शन से यानी 4x1 मल्टीप्लेक्सर से हमने इम्प्लीमेंट कर दिया। अभी मैंने क्या करा, मैंने ए को भेजा इधर। आप ए और बी रख सकते हो, सी को भेज सकते हो। ओके, तो एक क्वेश्चन ऐसा भी कर लेते हैं कि सी को भेज देते हैं उधर। क्वेश्चंस कल करेंगे, अगर ये समझ में आ गया तो क्वेश्चन तो बड़े इजीली हो जाएंगे। सो से इम्प्लीमेंट एफ ए बी सी, सेम फंक्शन ले रहा हूं मैं 1 3 5 6। ओके, इम्प्लीमेंट यूजिंग 4x1 मल्टीप्लेक्सर। ओके, टेक LSB एट इनपुट। अभी पहले मैंने क्या किया, पहले मैंने MSB को इनपुट पे लिया, ए को मैंने इनपुट में लिया। अब ABC में C को इनपुट पे लेना है। ओके, तो अब क्या बनेगा, आपके पास 3 वेरिएबल अगेन यू मेक, now truth table will be like this, you make A B C को अलग कर दो, 1 2 4, you have 4 terms. Okay, so this is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1। अब ये 0 0 0 ये 0 हो गया, 0 0 1 हो गया, 0 1 0 ये 2 हो गया, 0 1 1 3 हो गया, 1 0 ये 4 हो गया, 1 0 5 पोजीशन, 1 1 0 6 पोजीशन, 1 1 1 7 पोजीशन, 7 पोजीशन हो गया। अब कौन सी टर्म प्रेजेंट है उसको एनसर्कल कर दो। पहले रूल सेम है, 1 एनसर्कल कर दो, 3 एनसर्कल कर दो, 5 एनसर्कल कर दो, 6 एनसर्कल कर दो। ओके, अब ये आपके इनपुट हो गया इधर, ये आपके इनपुट हो गया 0 0, ये 1 तो 1, 2 तो 2, 3 तो 3। ओके, अब आई नॉट किससे कनेक्ट होगा बताओ? ये हो गया सी बार सी, आई नॉट किससे कनेक्ट होगा बताओ?
सी।
आई नॉट विल बी सी, वेरी गुड, क्योंकि आई नॉट में ओनली 1 इज देयर, 1 इज करस्पॉन्डिंग टू सी। I1 किससे कनेक्ट होगा?
सी।
सी, वेरी गुड। I2,
I2 भी सी।
I2 भी सी आएगा, एंड I3
सी बार।
सी बार, वेरी गुड, I3 सी बार। अब मल्टीप्लेक्सर बनाओ और उसका आउटपुट लिखो, 1 3 5 6 आएगा। ओके, लेट अस मेक नाउ मल्टीप्लेक्सर। ओके, सो मल्टीप्लेक्सर, तो एग्जाम में ये सब नहीं होगा, एग्जाम में खाली ये जो रखा होगा और सर्किट दे रखा होगा, आपको पहचानना पड़ेगा कौन सा सही ऑप्शन है। ओके, सो यू हैव 4 इनपुट्स, I0 I1 I2 I3। ओके, C C C, so you have a C C and C, and last is your C bar. Okay, now obviously you know you have taken A B C ऊपर गया है। ओके, तो अभी मिन टर्म कैसे बनेगी, y कैसे बनेगा? I0 A बार B बार प्लस I1 A बार B प्लस I2 A B बार प्लस I3 ए बी, ओके। अब आई नॉट सी, तो ये क्या बन गया, ए बार बी बार सी, आई एम राइटिंग हियर, ओके। आई नॉट इज सी, सो ये बन गया आपका आउटपुट वाई, आई नॉट इज सी, सो ए बार बी बार सी, ए बार बी सी, then a b bar, this is also c, the last term is a b c bar, okay। तो ये क्या है आपका 0 0 1, ये क्या है आपका 0 1 1 3, 1 भी आ गया, 3 भी आ गया, 1 0 1 5 भी आ गया, 1 1 0 6 भी आ गया, ओके। तो ये आउटपुट है, ये आउटपुट नहीं है, तो लिखने का तरीका है, ओके। वैल्यू पुट करने के बाद में दिस इज योर आउटपुट, और ये किसको रियलाइज कर रहा है, ये रियलाइज कर रहा है इस फंक्शन को, ओके। अभी इसमें डाउट हो तो पूछो कुछ, आई एम गिविंग होमवर्क, वो तुम करके बताओ, मुझे सेंड करो, होमवर्क तो तुम लोग भेजते नहीं हो। सो 3 वेरिएबल को 8 × 1 मक से करना है तो सिंपल है, 0 1 पुट करना है। 8 × 1 को 4 × 1 मक से करना है तो एक इनपुट को भेज देना है अंदर इनपुट पे। सो इम्प्लीमेंट फॉलोइंग फंक्शन यूजिंग 4 × 1 मल्टीप्लेक्सर, ओके। आपकी चॉइस है, आप ए को ले जा रहे हो या बी को ले जा रहे हो, या दोनों को ले जाके भी दिखा सकते हो मुझे। F A B C, M is 1 2 4 7, okay। The second question is F A B C, that is equal to summation M 1 3 5 7, okay। Similarly F A B C D, अब ये 4 वेरिएबल है, 4 वेरिएबल है मुझे, अच्छा ये तो 4 × 1 मिक्स है ना, इसको 8 में कल देखेंगे, तो कल देखेंगे, ठीक है। So these two are your homework, send me, okay। I like to stop here, thank you।
Thank you, sir.